You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to split data frame vertically column wise. Means we will break data frame into different columns and each column will be converted to a separate data frame. Then we will convert all these multiple data frames into multiple Python list. I have already installed Python Pandas. Let's start programming. First of all, I am showing you the EMP Excel file which will be converted to a data frame. This Excel file has 6 columns and 4 rows. We will split this Excel sheet into different columns. Then we will convert each column to a separate data frame. I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. My Python version is 3.7. First of all, we will import Python Panda as PD, where PD is a label that represents pandas. Next, we will import Excel file by using function pandas.read_excel and convert that Excel file into a data frame df. Here I am not showing the path of Excel file because EMP Excel file and Python source code both are in same folder, so there is no need. Here this is the EMP Excel file and next one is our Python source code file. Next, print the data frame and run the program. In output window, it is showing a data frame with 6 columns and 4 rows. Next, we will find out the column name of each column, means heading of each column. Next, we will save all these columns names in a series. That's name is col_names. This is a Python series. Next, print the Python series. In output window, it is showing the heading of each column. Next, we will count down the number of columns by using len function. This length will be saved in a variable and we will use n for indexing column wise. Next, by using ilog function, we will split data frame into multiple data frame vertically column wise. Ilog function works on index value. For this, first of all, we will run for loop up to 0 to n-1. In next line, we will write df1 equal to data frame df dot ilog. Then in a bracket, we will write colon, comma. Here colon is used for row wise separation, but here we are separating data frame into columns. So after comma we will write I colon I plus 1, means from 2, where if we write 0 then it will break down the data frame into 0 to 1. By using for loop, we will break all the columns of the data frame. Next, print a new line and then print our new data frames df1 in for loop 1 by 1. Next, we will run the program and you can see all the data frames column wise. These are different separated columns. Here each column is a data frame. Next, we will break down our data frame into multiple columns, and next we will convert each column to a new separate Python list. For this, first of all, we will run for loop from 0 to n minus 1. Next, by using column name, we will read each column of the data frame. Next, convert that data frame column into a Python list by using toList function, and then save this list to variable lst. Next, print a blank new line, and then next print Python list. By using for loop, we will read all the columns of the data frame one by one, and then convert each column to Python list. Next, run the program, and in output window it is showing all the columns of the data frame in the form of Python list. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. If you like our Python tutorial, then kindly subscribe channel Computer Coding Class today.